Condensation and storage conditions in your tanks and reservoirs promote the formation of sediments, sludge, and bacteria, accelerating engine clogging, especially during winter storage, low-speed operations on stationary equipment and urban use. The consequences are numerous: reduced performance and power, damage to costly parts, frequent particulate filter regenerations, and shorter engine lifespan. Your engine warning light turns on, causing operational shutdowns that result in losses. To address this, our laboratory has developed Bardahl Engine Carbon Cleaner, an ultra-concentrated formula designed to track down and dissolve harmful deposits that affect the performance of both thermal and hybrid engines. It works at every stage of combustion: before, to clean injectors and valves; during, to protect the combustion chamber and piston rings; and after, to preserve the turbo, the EGR valve, and the particulate filter. Bardahl formula uses safe and advanced technology to clean, treat, and protect all parts of the engine. Take care of your equipment to maximize efficiency and reduce operating costs. Bardahl Engine Carbon Cleaner guarantees the longevity of your machines while protecting the planet. Bardahl, nothing will stop you.